Hi, I'm Yannick, and today we'll guide you through unboxing and setting up your Yoco counter for the first time. Check the description for more tips and details. Start by unboxing your Yoco counter, NeoTouch card machine, and its cradle. Place them on your countertop and plug in your Yoco counter. You can plug in your NeoTouch directly to the counter using the port at the base of the stand. Now, let's turn on your NeoTouch card machine by pressing the power button and holding it down for 3 seconds. Log into your account on the device by selecting Login and entering your username and password. From the home screen, tap on the cog settings in the top left corner of the screen and connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure it's the same Wi-Fi that you'll use to connect your Yoco counter. Next, let's turn on your Yoco counter by pressing the power button and holding it down for 3 seconds. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Log in to the Yoco POS app using your Yoco username and password. Once logged in, follow the prompts to link your NeoTouch card machine. Alternatively, go to the More tab, select Card Machines, and tap This is my card machine when your NeoTouch appears. Match the serial number on the back of your NeoTouch and hit Connect. That's it! Your Yoco counter is now set up and ready to ring up orders and streamline your sales.